quick note. Keep this in mind, guys. If you're heading out for a road test, and it's probably too late, but if you're heading out for a road test, don't tell people that you're taking a road test. You shouldn't anyway. Some people will know, like, you know, your closest family, friends. But you shouldn't be telling everybody you're taking a road test, because a lot of times, if you're not successful, in other words, a lot of people like to call it, if you fail, then you have to tell all those people you told you're taking the road test that you failed. It's, you know, I have a lot of students that when I take them to the road test, those that do not make it, then they have to tell, and I asked them, did you tell everybody you're taking the road test? They say yes. So it's not a good idea to tell everybody that you're gonna take a road test. So I know for some of you it's too late, but those that have not set up or scheduled an appointment yet, you shouldn't tell everybody. Now, if it's too late and it already happened and now you gotta tell everybody, okay, so, well, it's too late, you know, it happened already. But now if you're gonna schedule another road test, now you know, don't tell anybody. Just take your second road test, third road test, whatever it is. If you pass, then you surprise them. You know, just don't tell anybody, because like I said, you know, if you tell everybody and then they want to know the results, you know, it's not a good feeling. So just that was just a quick video I wanted to make on this one, because it happened today also. I had students that told a lot of people and they were unsuccessful. So like I always say, if you guys are taking the road test soon, good luck. If you pass your road test, congrats. Please continue to do what you learned during your lessons. Be safe. Take it easy, guys.